Hi, I really want to share a story, and it's an interesting story. And the reason why I'm sharing this story is to tell that a lot of people blame a lot of other things or people or circumstances or anything to blame. All that they want to do is blame for something that they were not able to do. And this story, which I came across, was a really interesting catch, and I really forgot the author who said that, but I would like to repeat that here. The story goes like this. There were four people called everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to be done. Everybody was sure that somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it, but nobody did. Somebody got really angry about it because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. It ended up that everybody blamed somebody for that when nobody did what anybody could have done. And that's the story. You can replay this again to check what the story exactly sounds like. So there is no blame game ever that is required for us to keep moving forward. So keep moving forward. Stop complaining. Go for it. Bye.